Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. And in this one we're gonna be installing something pretty cool on the Frunk. And so we're gonna be installing this. You guys don't know what it is, but it's these springs. You basically replace the front spring and supposedly your frunk is gonna close easier, and you can even close it with like 2 fingers. So that would be pretty cool, and I want to try it now. So let's go start installing it. It's actually pretty simple. Oh goddamn, takes the whole hand to close. Let's do that again. It's open. Like it wouldn't close like this. Just have to like. So I finally got some tools with me. So I'm gonna pop this off. Use the pliers to take this spring off. Before I thought I can easily remove this, but I can't without pliers. So I can't even do it that easily with the pliers. So as you guys saw there, it doesn't really work that well when opening, because I definitely need some front struts that are ordered to open it automatically, but to close it, just push it slightly and it closes. But let me show you that again. Once you open it, see, it doesn't come up, just slightly. So I have to like put my finger under to get it in and push it up to open. But closing it, see, it's already holding kinda. Just need a slight push to make it lock, and that's it. Pretty dope. And that's how easy it is for your boy to do some mods and changes on the car. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.